Welcome to this podcast. Hope you enjoy it. Hello everyone, and welcome to our podcast today. This is our very first episode, and I'm so happy you are here with us. My name is Mary, and with me is my friend Alex. Together, we will practice English in a fun and natural way. So, let's begin.
Hi everyone, I'm Alex, and I'm excited to join Mary in this podcast. We will talk about daily life, hobbies, and many interesting topics. Let's start with something simple. Mary, how was your day?
My day was good, thank you. I had a long meeting at work this morning. It was a little tiring, but I learned some new things.
My day was busy too. I went to the gym early in the morning. Then I had lunch with a friend. After that, I worked on a small project. Now I feel relaxed.
I ate a salad with fresh vegetables and grilled chicken. I'm trying to eat healthy these days.
I had a sandwich with chicken and vegetables. Simple, but tasty.
Yes, I love cooking. Yesterday I made pasta with tomato sauce and basil. It was delicious.
I try, but I'm not very good. Last week I made scrambled eggs and they didn't look perfect. But at least they tasted okay.
Scrambled eggs are easy. You just need a little patience. Next time I'll teach you.
That would be amazing. Maybe we can cook together one day. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I enjoy cooking pasta and rice dishes. Sometimes I bake cakes too. Cooking makes me happy because it's creative.
I agree. Cooking is not only about food. It's about sharing time and enjoying the process.
I love reading. Every night before bed, I read a few pages of a book. It helps me relax. Yesterday, I finished a novel called The Silent Garden.
That sounds interesting. What was the story about?
It was about a young woman who discovers a secret garden in her grandmother's house. The story is full of mystery and emotions.
Wow, I love mystery stories. Reading is such a great hobby. I don't read books often, but I listen to audiobooks while driving.
That's a smart idea. Audiobooks are perfect when you don't have time to sit and read.
Mostly history and adventure. They keep me entertained and I learn something new at the same time.
That's wonderful. Reading and listening to books are great ways to improve English too.
Exactly. And speaking of hobbies, I also enjoy exercising. I go to the gym 3 times a week. It keeps me healthy and strong.
That's impressive. I prefer jogging in the park. It gives me energy and makes me feel fresh.
Exercise is so important. Do you jog alone or with friends?
Sometimes alone, but often with friends. We talk while running and time passes quickly.
That's the best part of hobbies. They make life more enjoyable. Reading, cooking, exercising. They all add balance to our busy days.
Exactly. Without hobbies, life would feel too serious. We need fun and relaxation.
Well said, Mary. I think we should plan a day where we combine our hobbies. Maybe read together, cook together, and then go for a walk.
That sounds perfect. A full day of hobbies and friendship.
Deal. Let's make it happen soon.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it. And to all our listeners, thank you for joining us today. This was our first podcast episode, and we hope you enjoyed practicing English with us. See you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next episode.